There is a nice light breeze today, about 4 or 5 miles per hour. Perfect for using the Hover 2 camera drone in Omni mode while walking across this field. There is an obstacle area up ahead. I'm going to lower the drone to keep it away from the tree branches. The obstacle sensor won't allow it to pass through this area, so I am going to land it, and start again on the other side. This looks interesting. We are going around a 180-degree curve. Let's see if it will continue following me. Success. It's right behind me. This Hover 2 is amazing. I wonder if the person in that truck that just pulled in will notice the drone. That's the end of the walk. Thank you for joining me.